So, hey y'all, what's up? It's Agolo123, and today I will be showing you how to make butter slime. Well, I'm not going to be showing you because I do not have the ingredients with me right now. But all you need is soap, water, and flour. That's all you need. Food dye to make it like a color. Essential oils or just scent to make it scent if you want. These are optional. And lotion to make it a little more stretchy so it can be a little buttery. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how this butter slime. I haven't tried this out. Okay. I would call it butter slime. I mean, I don't see how it's not. The only thing that's not slimy about it is most of the time it will not pick up. Like, if I accidentally left some on the floor, I can't just like it won't work. So, I will be taking you to get some more lotion with me to make it more stretchy. Let's just use Twilight. Let's see how it smells. Well, that smells really good. I hope it changes the smell because I'm not a big fan of the smell right now. Okay. So you want to take your slime, get it like stretch out as far as you can. So much just came out. Oh shoot, guys. There's more than that. This is like half. Wowzers. Okay, well, the good thing is about it is, okay, so this, yeah, I messed up. Now it's not slime. It smells so good though. It has to be. Okay. I will be right back. I had to clean off the toilet, so I had to flush the toilet. So, since it did not really come together, and since it is just using lotion, just rub it. Oh, it does not have the smell that I was looking for. Okay. So now we are going to see the moment of truth. Can this bad boy stretch? Okay. I would call that slime, guys. I mean, it doesn't stretch as well. But thumbs up on that. Right, guys. Like, right. Lotion. We're going to be adding lots and loads. Okay, so this is how much lotion I start off with. So, because it's really bad slime. I did a video about this. It's uploading today. Just kidding. It uploaded yesterday. But this video is uploading today. May something. Friday. So, yeah. This is a lot stretchier, guys. I'm kind of disappointed with myself, though. Why are you disappointed with myself? Because I messed up, kind of. kind of to mess up. Okay, I added a little evolution to this. And it turned out really well. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.